USS Fort Lauderdale, an advanced amphibious ship ready to safeguard global sovereignty and stability in the future. The USS Fort Lauderdale Amphibious Transport Dock Ship is one of the latest warships to be launched soon to strengthen the United States military's ability to safeguard sovereignty and face future challenges. The ship is designed to support amphibious landing operations, an important aspect of the United States defense strategy. With the ability to bring troops and combat vehicles directly to shore, USS Fort Lauderdale will play a key role in defending and strengthening the country's position in strategic regions. USS Fort Lauderdale belongs to the San Antonio, LPD-17, ship class, which is the U.S. Navy's modern amphibious transport dock ship class. With advanced features and more flexible operational capabilities, the ship offers great potential in future military missions. It will enhance the U.S. Navy's capacity to conduct much-needed amphibious operations across a wide range of threat scenarios. The ship has a large carrying capacity, capable of transporting various types of combat vehicles, as well as helicopters to support air operations. In addition, USS Fort Lauderdale is equipped with medical and logistics facilities that allow the ship to endure long periods of combat. As such, it is not just a landing craft, but also a support center for the troops involved in the operation. Another advantage of the USS Fort Lauderdale is that its design allows the ship to operate in areas with harsh terrain, such as tropical waters and rocky coasts. This allows the ship to cover a wider area, giving the military command more flexibility in dealing with various situations. The presence of ships like the USS Fort Lauderdale ensures that the U.S. Navy can respond quickly in the event of conflict in regions far from land. It will be used not only in landing operations, but also in humanitarian and disaster relief missions. The ability to provide temporary shelter and medical facilities will be invaluable in the face of natural disasters or humanitarian crises that require rapid assistance. This makes USS Fort Lauderdale a ship that not only prioritizes military power, but also the ability to provide assistance in more peaceful situations. With the latest navigation technology and communication systems, USS Fort Lauderdale will connect with other military units in real time. This facilitates coordination between ships, aircraft, and troops on the ground, allowing for efficient and organized amphibious operations. The system also ensures that the ship can operate safely and effectively in complex environments, including in the evolving electronic warfare situation. One of USS Fort Lauderdale's primary missions is to support United States foreign policy by increasing military presence in strategic regions. The ship will support operations that ensure freedom of navigation in international waters, as well as maintain stability in regions vulnerable to threats from other regional or global powers. USS Fort Lauderdale's presence is also critical in order to maintain the sovereignty of countries allied with the United States. With its amphibious capacity, the ship can be used to deliver troops and equipment to areas of need, either in joint military exercises or in response to emerging threats at the borders of these countries. In addition, the USS Fort Lauderdale will be equipped with a range of advanced weapons and protection systems, ensuring that it can withstand enemy threats. It will carry modern weapons that can be used for self-defense, as well as support other military operations that require surveillance and control of territory. From a global perspective, ships like USS Fort Lauderdale symbolize the United States' commitment to maintaining international stability. This ship not only serves as a landing gear, but also as a symbol of sea power that can anticipate threats and safeguard the country's strategic interests. This underscores the importance of naval power in a modern era that increasingly relies on mobility and rapid response capabilities. USS Fort Lauderdale will also take part in joint exercises with allied nations to enhance interoperability between navies around the world. Such exercises strengthen cooperation and prepare forces for various threat scenarios that may arise, increasing the effectiveness of joint operations in dealing with situations that require quick and precise action. The presence of USS Fort Lauderdale will also provide a boost to the defense industry, as the ship carries advanced technologies that require the development of new components, such as weapon systems, software, and materials that are durable in the marine environment. This will open up new opportunities in the research and development sector, as well as strengthen the national defense industry. The future of USS Fort Lauderdale also shows how important the role of amphibious ships is in dealing with the ever-evolving threats in this world. As global tensions continue to rise, ships like USS Fort Lauderdale will play a key role in ensuring that the United States and its allies are ready for whatever challenges come their way. It demonstrates how modern navies must always evolve to keep up with changing strategic needs. With all its capacities and capabilities, USS Fort Lauderdale will not only be a force safeguarding the sovereignty of the United States, but also an integral part of international efforts to maintain world peace and stability. As a highly advanced amphibious transport dock ship, she will be ready for future challenges and continue to operate in support of increasingly complex military missions.